Hello guys, and welcome to another unboxing video from Vintage Radar. Today we are going to be unboxing a watch by Serica. This is going to be a French micro brand that was established in Paris in 2015. We reached out to them. They sent us the reference number 1174, which is going to be the Parade model, and we opted for the blue dial version. So this is going to be their packaging. You have an outer box, so a cardboard box that actually holds the main watch box. And these are going to be their thank you cards and also a link to all the information that you need about their watches, how to wind them, how to maintain them. So you can definitely go and check out their QR code here as well. So this is going to be the main packaging of the watch, so nothing too extravagant. Here you have, as you can see, the brand Serica, and I'm going to open it up, and here we have the watch. So as I mentioned, I opted for the blue dial model. As you can see, a very clean packaging, very simple design, and let's also check out the watch. So this is going to be their blue dial version. I'm going to remove the stickers. This is going to be the blue dial version. As you can see, it is going to change a little bit of color when it comes to different angles, and this is going to be a very beautiful texturized dial. I'm also going to insert a lot of footage with how we filmed the watch, because you are going to be able to see it a lot better. So this is going to be their first ever dress watch, so more elegant watch. So far they have a lot of field watches, divers watches that you can go and check out on their website. I'm going to leave a link in the description box below to this particular model, but make sure to check out their entire collection. So the first impression is that this is going to be a very nicely finished model. I really like the case, the polishing, the brushing. Also the strap feels very high quality. Also when you look on the back, everything seems to be flawless, and also the dial is going to be very beautiful. It is very hard to capture all of its beauty, but I'm going to do my best in order to give you some close-ups so that you can actually see this texturized dial. So now let's talk about the specification of this particular model. So we have a stainless steel case made out of 316L stainless steel. Then we have a water resistance of 100 meters, so that is going to be something really cool. We only have a pull and push crown, so not a screw down crown, but still we have that water resistance of 100 meters. On the back, as you can see, we are going to see the reference number 1174 and also the 4 screws that are going to ensure, let's say, that 100 meters of water resistance. Then we have a case dimension of 35 millimeters with 41 millimeters, and then a case thickness of 8.2 millimeters. So this is going to be quite thin for a mechanical automatic watch. So this is going to be a very beautiful thin automatic dress watch. The lug distance is going to be 18 millimeters. As you can see, the watch strap is also signed 18 millimeters. When we look at the case, we have brushed finishing, and here we have polished finishing. As you can see, this is going to be a very subtle difference, but you can see that this is going to make the dial pop out, whereas when you look on the sides, it is going to reflect a little bit more. So this is where we have the polished surfaces. When it comes to the watch movement, they use the Soprod M100. This is going to be a Swiss mechanical self-winding movement. So it also features the manual winding option. We have 25 rubies. We have a frequency of 28,800 beats per hour. The watch crystal is going to be sapphire, and they also have anti-reflective coating. So I can definitely say that in comparison to my Hamilton Khaki Field Automatic, this is going to reflect a lot less. This is how the watch dial looks up close, but as I mentioned, I'm also going to insert some extra videos of the dial, because in my opinion, this is going to be the main focus part of the watch, because this dial is really beautiful. I really like this texture that they added, and in my opinion it gives me that Patek Philippe vibes because it has that very interesting blue, and also the elegance of this particular model is something that I believe they opted for, and maybe they even draw inspiration from those, let's say, more popular watch brands out there, designs, but this is going to be something unique when it comes to their case shape and also to the dial design as well. Then we also have the alligator leather strap with this very interestingly designed buckle right here, which also, as you can see, is signed by Serica. So they have a lot of attention to detail. I'm also going to throw the watch on the wrist so that you can see how it looks. This is how the watch looks on the wrist. As you can see, really elegant. For reference, I have a wrist size of 165 millimeters or 6.5 inches. And this is how the watch looks. So a very elegant piece. I'm also going to insert as much extra footage that I have so that you can see how it looks with a shirt, because that is going to make a big difference. In terms of accuracy, this is going to be a very reliable movement. That is why I believe they opted for a more premium one, and that is going to be something that a lot of you are going to enjoy. So far, I have seen a lot of positive feedback inside the forums about Serica, and that is something that I really like. Also, in terms of communication, our communication with the brand has been flawless. We reached out, they replied almost instantaneously. Everything, the entire process was done very smoothly and fast. And as I mentioned, we actually reached out to them so that they can send us one of their watches in order to feature them on the channel. So guys, in case you are looking for a more premium micro brand and to purchase either a dress watch or a diver's watch, a field watch, you can definitely consider Serica, because as I mentioned, everything seemed to be flawless so far. I really like their designs, I really like the attention to detail. I would say that maybe the packaging is going to be something a little bit more simple compared to other watch brands. I would say that most of you are also going to want that when it comes to a micro brand, to have most of their cost inside the watch and not the packaging. So although some might see that as a minus, in my opinion that is going to be a big plus as well. So guys, that was the quick unboxing video that we had for you today. As I mentioned, I'm going to leave a link in the description box below to the 1174 model. This was the blue dial version, but you can definitely go and check out all of their other 3 models, as well as the entire collection that Serica offers on their website. Link in the description box below. In case you enjoyed this video, guys, make sure to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to this YouTube channel. Also, make sure to check out our website, vintageradar.com, because we have thousands of vintage watches for sale. Subscribe to this YouTube channel, guys. You are going to like it here, and I'm going to see you in the next video.